Guys, look at the baby cats right there. There's one right there. Right there's a mom. She looks kind of tiny, but she's in attack mode right now, guarding her little kitten. And then there's like two more over there. Oh, there's another one right there. But we came to Mexican bakery for this. Oof. Damn. The deliciousness. This should be the thumbnail right here. I don't know which one to grab. I'm probably gonna go with one of these. These have like fillings inside of it. Alright guys, pick your priority. All buckled in. Oh yeah, you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it when I get home. Put your seatbelt on. Damn guys, look at that. $3.93, pretty much $4 for 91. How ridiculous is that? I spent like $40 right now on a full tank. Ridiculous. Oh, that's killing me. Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another good, what is it, Friday morning. Ooh, I couldn't really sleep that good last night. It was super humid in San Jose, and it's just been like dumbly hot. It's been like almost 100 degrees almost every day. Right now it's 9 o'clock. It's about to be 9 o'clock in the morning, and it's already 84, 85. I feel like today's gonna be around like the 96s, 200s, and it doesn't make it any better that it gets humid. Because one thing I really hate is the humidity. Ooh. There was a red light. One thing I really hate is the humidity. And in case you guys are wondering why, my whole back seats are full of stuff, is because we're going camping today. My girlfriend and I are going camping along with some of her family. And oh yeah, we haven't really done much since this whole, you know, pandemic thing going on. You can't really do a lot. And I just felt like maybe, well, she felt like we should just do something fun before school starts, which is gonna be in about 2 weeks. So might as well just go camping. That's the only thing that you could kind of do for fun that kind of follows the guidelines somewhat. So yeah, camping it is. We packed up everything, and I'm gonna show you guys the trunk setup and everything. There's a lot of space actually that you could use. This is enough for 2 people, which is what that's what this car is meant for, you know, just 2 people pretty much. And yeah, so I'm not gonna bore you guys with the drive. I'm gonna do some time lapses, and I'm gonna go pick her up right now. So I'll update you guys once I pick her up. It's that type of weather right now guys, 102 degrees. So I kind of snaked you guys, and I actually needed to come to work. I was just playing. I actually came to work. I just got off. It's 5 o'clock, and I'm gonna go pick up my girlfriend from work because she worked also. It's kind of funny how like both our schedules lined up. And then we're gonna hit the road. It's probably like a 4-hour drive. I'm exhausted. I haven't ate anything all day. I'm gonna grab some food and we're gonna get going. I'm so sorry, Zero. 110 degrees. Oh man, I'm I hate driving my car when it's super hot, especially since these engines run super hot. Tell this land. A little too much camber for me, but it looks clean. So since I haven't ate all day, we're getting some Chipotle. That rhymed, so you know it's legit. This is a thumbnail picture, guys. Thumbnail. You know, guys, one thing I don't miss is traffic. And look at all this traffic right here, man. Bumper to bumper traffic. Oh man, this drive's gonna suck. And it went down a little bit. It's at 108 degrees. But I'm more of a 70 type of degree guy. Damn, guys, like somebody's going drifting. 240 S14, and then a BMW up in the front. All right, guys, let me update you guys on this. This road literally feels like a roller coaster. Watch. Oh, it wasn't like the one back there where it went straight down like a roller coaster. All right, let's see if this one does it. Let's see. It's not going down. Okay, the other one was way crazier. Hella steep. Alright, that's the most update I'm gonna do right now. Okay, guys, so we just made our first stop at the gas station, and it looks hella ghetto. And look at the McDonald's over there, like brand new. And just to update you guys, look at the lettering right there. It's coming off. Ah, it sucks so bad that it's coming off. Hopefully it makes sense, it doesn't come off, because the Toyo already came off, and now it only says toe. So toe tires instead of Toyo tires. Let's see, did we get a full tank? Yeah, back at a full tank. Alright, let's get out of here. We're what, like 50 miles away still? This is the longest road I've ever been on. It's like 88 miles, which is crazy. But I'll tell you guys once we get there. It's getting dark. Okay, guys, so the last update was at the Shell gas station, and now we're like, it's getting dark. It's probably sunset's at 8 o'clock, already 8:35. So it's gonna get dark, and now I was moving through the redwoods. It's really gonna block whatever lights were. And all the cars that were in front of us decided to pull over and get some gas. So we already got gas. So yeah, it's dark. It's hella dark. Let me look for a straightaway. Oh damn! Right now it's so windy. Yeah, let me look for a straightaway. It's still pretty bright right now, but it's gonna get dark in like another 10 to 15 minutes. I'll update you guys then. Alright guys, we kind of got to the area. Now we're trying to figure out where everybody else is at, but look how dark it is. I still have my DRLs on, but I finally understand I finally get to use high beams. You know, not just like those assholes that drive around in the city with their high beams on. Rodolfo. We're in like a really like off-road trail. I feel so bad for my car right now because there's so many rocks and the tires aren't really meant for this. I don't know if you guys could feel like the camera shaking. We're like really off-road right now. It kind of sucks. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, we're like in an off-road scenario right now. I'm just trying to figure out exactly where everyone else is at. Oh, this is really like hurting me. And I'm putting 0 through this. But I'll update you guys a little bit later. Right now I'm just trying to like figure everything out, trying to figure where everybody's at right now. I'm actually getting pretty tired right now. And it's about to be 10. You guys feel that? I'll update you guys a bit later. Okay guys, so This is like a brand new hydro flask, probably like 2019, 2020. And then this is the older version, which is what, like 2-3 years ago. And you could tell by the copyright right here and the logo. They took off the copyright from the logo and the hydro flask name. You see how they took it off? And then you could kind of tell that the darker blue one's a little bit chubbier. They're both 40 ounces. And then you can also tell from the lid. You can also tell from the lid that this one's a little bit thicker from right here. So we put the same amount of ice. Oops, sorry. We put the same amount of ice, and then we're gonna fill them up with those waters, and we're gonna see which one lasts longer. Because my girl's telling me that the ice doesn't last. I feel like with mine it lasted all day in 100-degree weather when I used it at one time. Because I hardly use this. It's 100 degrees, so let's see. Let's fill this up. Alright guys, so this is super embarrassing, but we drove to the place. We couldn't find my girlfriend's family. We spent like maybe like 2 hours, 3 hours trying to look for them. We just couldn't find it. We kept going and going. We went through like so many different like roads that we just couldn't figure it out. And then I didn't really want to spend money on a hotel, so I was just like, you know what, let's just drive back to San Jose, which was gonna be like a 4-hour drive. And then we ended up coming to my girlfriend's grandma's house, which was about like 2.5 hours from the place. And then we spent the night here. And then now we're gonna drive back to camping, and at least we're only gonna do like 1 day of camping, which is still okay, because either way, yesterday we were only gonna get there at night and set up and go to sleep. So it kind of plays out. We gotta get gas, food, and I don't know what else. We're gonna get some other stuff. So yeah, I'm embarrassed to tell you guys that I failed.
It was really dark too though.
It was really dark.
I couldn't see anything.
Alright, we made it. Alright guys, who says BRZs can't go off-roading? Good thing I haven't gotten my coilovers yet. Look at that. Damn, this thing's so dusty. I know, right now when we go more down. Oh man. Everything's so white. Alright, let me grab my backpack back. Guys, look at the sunset. So we went out into the water, and this is our tent right here, and then I'm getting a time lapse right now with the camera. This is 0, super dirty. Pretty nice. I didn't really record much just because I wanted to enjoy it, but yeah. Oh guys, look at the sun. It's like red. Yeah, it looks so nice. Going back home to San Jose. Yeah. Is it gonna deliver it? Dude, these things are so weird.
Oh, it's gonna cross the other side.
Oh, is it? Yeah.
Oh, there it goes, there it goes.
Oh. It's struggling.
Yeah.
It's struggling, guys.
I think it's waiting for the people to walk by first.
No wonder. These things are so funny. Cause are they the Amazon ones or just like? Oh man. Have you guys seen these in your streets? Alright guys, well that's the end of the video. I did get distracted and I had to work and stuff, so I forgot to end the video. It was really fun camping. We did get lost. There was lightning, hail. We came back to San Jose and San Jose is pretty much on fire. And I found that there was like a fire tornado or something like that going on. Crazy stuff going on. But that's the end of this video. Wait until next video. Next video is gonna be Axel actually got new wheels, so I'm probably gonna include that in the next video. And then my armrest. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna mount it and what modifications I'm gonna do to it, because I don't want to drill holes in my center console, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do it. So until next time guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share it. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, and I am going to be doing a giveaway. I decided to do one Supreme item, so I'm gonna order something off Go and I'm gonna do a giveaway on that, and then I'm also gonna do a second giveaway once we're getting closer to the 500 to 700 subscriber mark. So please like, comment, subscribe, share it to your friends. I don't care if you subscribe, unsubscribe after, please don't. But you guys could win a Supreme item and possibly the second thing, which is gonna be a little bit bigger than just a Supreme shirt or bag, whatever. So please give it a follow, or please give the channel a follow. And until next time guys, later.